I'm Sabri Shamapte and welcome to my channel. And today I have my greatest lip balms with me. These are awesome, and I have separated them in different categories so you find them to be more helpful, like for different concerns. So yeah, let's start. So first I have the lip balms which can heal overnight. So I have two things for that because I couldn't pick one. So first is this Unpa Bubi Bubi Lip Balm. This is awesome whenever my lips feels like very chapped, very dry, bad state. I apply a thick layer of this overnight and I get up with lovely lips. So yeah, this is how it looks, but it doesn't look this black on the lips. Also, I have another lip mask that heals my lips overnight. That is this one. This is from Innisfree, their green tea lip mask. This one is also awesome. This actually feel like petroleum jelly. I mean both of this, but the texture is better, and this like locks the hydration, also somewhat moisturizes my lips. So yeah, I really love these two things as lip sleeping mask. And the Laneige one is everyone's favorite, but that didn't work for me at all. I don't know why, but I have heard many people love the Laneige sleeping mask, but for me it didn't do anything. My lips feel like kind of white after applying that. So I don't like the lip mask, but these two, like, they have worked really well for me. And next I have something that is my old favorite. I know this lip balm for 10 years and this is affordable and it does the job. That is Lotus. Again, it has this very like petroleum jelly kind of a texture. I have used a lot of it, and yeah, it is a simple lip balm. It prevents the water loss. It gives this nice tint, and I enjoy like using this one. It has this nostalgia as well because my Mashi used to use it. She still uses it, I think, and I found this from her. This is her favorite lip balm and mine too. Not my most favorite, but one of my favorites. If you're looking for an affordable lip balm, you can give it a try. Also, Joy has this strawberry lip balm that can be dupe for this. That is more affordable, I think, and you get more quantity. So next I have this one. This is a pH lip balm. Like, it has this white. Initially it looks like this, but when you apply this on your lips, it changes into pink. So it reacts to your pH, and I really like it. It gives this lovely color, and I have used many lip balms that that react to the pH and they change the color, but this one by far the most moisturizing formulation. This is from ZM My Hue pH lip tint, and I am really liking this one. But if you don't like the lip balms that change the color, I mean if you don't like the lip balms that change their hue to pH, you won't like this one. But if you're looking for something like that, you can give it a try. I have to say this is my most favorite color changing lip balm. And then I have another lip balm that I really like. I like the texture, like the color. This is from Plum, their Candy Melts lip balm. This is Berry Feast. So see, again, I have used a lot of this lip balm. The texture is very nice. It gives this very rich berry like color to my lips. It is moisturizing, and yeah, very good lip balm. But if I have to choose this and this when it comes to color, I'm gonna pick this, but for moisturizing I'm gonna pick this one. Alright, next I have a lip balm that is like everyone's favorite, evergreen. Everyone loves it, very affordable. That is from Vaseline. I mean Vaseline petroleum jelly. So this is the like new fancy versions of that. Get the normal tub, because this is very difficult to open. I heard that don't pull it, just you can like twist it like this, it's gonna open. No, it doesn't. Something is wrong with this. It doesn't open. This become a tug. So yeah, I'm gonna recommend you the normal, that jar. These are like very difficult to open. So Vaseline, I think this is like evergreen lip balm. You must have used this at certain point of your life. So they make really good overnight lip treatment. Also, you can use this in the daytime as well. It works really well as occlusive. So mainly if you have dehydrated lips, then this can work really well. Also, you can apply some gel or like humectant based serums on your lips, then you can apply Vaseline. So that way you're gonna be hydrating your lips and you're gonna locking it as well. So at last, I have the most moisturizing lip balm I have ever used. That is this one. This is from the Body Shop, their Shea Butter lip balm. Actually, I have used their raw shea butter as well, but this one is more moisturizing. Whenever I feel like my lips need more nourishment, I apply this one. But if you do not like the lip balms that feel oily on your lips, then avoid this one. You also can try avocado butter, that works well on the lips. So yeah, that was my list of my favorite lip balms. Feel free to share your favorites too, and I'm going to see you very soon then. Bye bye.